morning everyone. I don't know where you are, but here in Malaysia it's 11 a.m. and we are past we are doing fine. May God bless you. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel and for subscribing to our channel. We really appreciate you guys. My names are Jessica and welcome to the Tan Family channel. So today's video, I made a video specifically for somebody who commented on my video, because I made a video previously how to exfoliate for acne and acne care routine, and somebody Odochi, that's her name, Abiazems, said, sis, nice video, can it help to clear dark spots? Sis, what can I use to clear dark spots on the face? So this Odochi, this video is specifically for you, Odochi. You asked how to clear dark spots. This is the easiest way you can clear your dark spots and acne. After you cut, you can store it in the fridge. So in the fridge there, you can be using little by little every day, like in the morning. But normally I do it 3 days in a week. What you do is you leave it for 20 good minutes. After 20 minutes you need to come and wash your face. So guys, after washing my face, and this is how my face looks like. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching for the question. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you for always subscribing, and I love you all. Thank you. Bye.